Did you know that cinnamon was once considered more precious than gold in ancient Egypt? Yes, that's right. This aromatic spice, which we all love to sprinkle on our lattes and pastries, held an esteemed position in the ancient world. Cinnamon's roots stretch back to the civilizations of ancient Egypt and China, where it was treasured for its medicinal and culinary properties. It was so highly prized that it was often used as a form of currency. Imagine walking into a store today and paying for your groceries with a handful of cinnamon sticks. In ancient Egypt, cinnamon was a crucial component of the embalming process. The Egyptians valued its preservative qualities and aromatic allure. It was believed to appease the gods and help guide the deceased into the afterlife. Over in ancient China, cinnamon was revered as a panacea. Chinese physicians prescribed it for conditions ranging from colds and flu to digestive issues. They believed in its power to improve vitality and increase lifespan. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, cinnamon's popularity continued to soar. It was a status symbol for the wealthy, who used it in their recipes to flaunt their affluence. It was also believed to have the power to ward off the plague due to its antimicrobial properties. In the modern world, we primarily know cinnamon as a spice that adds a warm, sweet flavor to our dishes, but its uses extend beyond the kitchen. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, cinnamon is still used to treat respiratory and digestive problems. The importance of cinnamon in ancient cultures and its various uses beyond cooking underscore its incredible versatility. It's not just a spice, but a treasure chest of benefits waiting to be unlocked. Now that we've uncovered cinnamon's rich history, let's discover its surprising health benefits. So, stay tuned, because you're about to learn how this humble spice could be a game changer for your health. And despite its popularity, many are unaware of the health benefits cinnamon can offer. This spice, beloved for its warm and sweet flavor, is often relegated to the realms of baking and holiday treats. But there's so much more to cinnamon than meets the palate. Just like other everyday items in your pantry, cinnamon holds a secret life as a powerhouse of health benefits. Yet these benefits often go unnoticed, overshadowed by the spice's culinary uses. This lack of knowledge about the health benefits of common spices like cinnamon is rather surprising. There's a clear need for better information about the foods we consume. Understanding the potential health advantages of everyday spices could be a game changer for many of us. So it's high time we took a closer look at these hidden treasures in our kitchens. It's time to shed light on cinnamon's hidden health benefits. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the health benefits of cinnamon. Now, cinnamon isn't just your average spice. This aromatic powerhouse is loaded with antioxidants, which are substances that protect your body from damage by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants help keep your body in tip-top shape, and cinnamon is chock full of them. In fact, it's so rich in antioxidants that it outranks many other spices and even some fruits and vegetables. Surprised? Well, hold on to your seats because there's more. Cinnamon also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting off infections and repairing tissue damage. However, too much inflammation can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even brain disorders. This is where cinnamon steps in. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage while also keeping excess inflammation in check. It's like a superhero in your spice rack, but that's not all. One of the most impressive benefits of cinnamon is its potential impact on blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and it's especially important for those managing diabetes. Cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal, which can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. It does this by slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Plus, a compound in cinnamon can act like insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. This compound, called cinnamaldehyde, has the ability to significantly reduce insulin resistance, helping your body to use this hormone more effectively. This is a game changer for those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. And if you're concerned about heart health, cinnamon has got you covered there too. Studies suggest that cinnamon can reduce levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while good HDL cholesterol remains stable. That's a big win for heart health. Cinnamon's benefits extend to brain health as well. It has been shown to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. In addition, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits may also help inhibit other mechanisms that damage brain cells. Now you're probably thinking, how can one spice do all this? Well, nature is full of surprises, isn't it? And cinnamon is one of those delightful surprises, offering more than just a warm, sweet flavor. But wait, there's more. The most shocking benefit is yet to come. So, stick around as we unveil the most mind-blowing benefit of cinnamon in the next scene. You won't want to miss it. Hold on to your seats because the most shocking benefit of cinnamon is about to be revealed. Yes, we've talked about its antioxidant properties, its anti-inflammatory effects, and its potential impact on blood sugar levels. But the most surprising benefit of cinnamon is its potential role in supporting brain health. You heard it right. This humble spice might actually be a powerful tool in maintaining cognitive function and warding off neurodegenerative diseases. Recent studies have shown that compounds in cinnamon can inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the main characteristics of Alzheimer's disease. But that's not all. Another study found that consuming cinnamon can improve memory and learning ability. Researchers conducted a study on mice and found that those who received cinnamon supplements showed significant improvements in memory and learning tasks. Now, you might be wondering how much cinnamon you should consume to reap these brain-boosting benefits. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, a general guideline is to aim for half a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons per day. Of course, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. So the next time you're whipping up a batch of oatmeal or brewing a pot of tea, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon. Not only will it add a delicious flavor, but it could also boost your brain health. It's a win-win situation. The evidence is clear. Cinnamon is not just a tasty addition to our meals, but a potential powerhouse of health benefits. It's amazing how something so small can have such a significant impact on our well-being. Isn't it incredible what this humble spice can do? So, the next time you reach for the cinnamon, remember, it's not just for taste, it's for your health too. Keep this in mind, and let's continue to explore the wonderful world of spices together. Until next time. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can have a significant impact on your health. We've explored the various benefits of this potent spice, and it's clear that it's more than just a delightful addition to your favorite dishes and desserts. Today, we've learned that cinnamon is a powerhouse of antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals in the body. It's this antioxidant activity that helps reduce inflammation, providing relief for a variety of health conditions, from arthritis to asthma. So next time you're brewing a cup of tea, why not sprinkle in a little cinnamon? We've also discovered that cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potentially beneficial spice for those managing diabetes. It's not a cure, but it's a small change you can make that can contribute to a bigger difference. Just remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. And who could forget the most shocking benefit? The one that left us all in awe? Yes, we're talking about the potential of cinnamon to boost brain function. Studies have suggested that this humble spice could help protect our brains from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed, it's certainly an exciting possibility. In essence, cinnamon is an incredibly versatile spice with a plethora of health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its potential brain-boosting effects, it's a spice that packs a punch. So consider adding a dash more cinnamon to your life. Remember, a little cinnamon goes a long way toward a healthier you. It's a small step you can take, but it could lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. So the next time you're in your kitchen, don't overlook this powerful spice. Cinnamon, it seems, is not just for your apple pie anymore. Remember, a little cinnamon goes a long way toward a healthier you.